Hey man, stop saying you ain't got time, because that is a lie. Data is in. The science shows that you have time. A lot of y'all men say, man, I can't get ahead in life because of X, Y, and Z. I ain't got the time. I ain't got the time to do this. And that is a lie, man. That is not truth. Data shows that the average person spends about 3 hours a day scrolling on their phone. Now take 3 hours and multiply by 365 days a year. That's almost 1,100 hours. Now take that 1,100 hours and let's divide it by 16 hours a day, because you got to sleep for 8 hours a day, right? That's 70 days out of the year. That's 70 days. That's almost equivalent to saying I'm going to sit down starting November 1st and I'm going to scroll on my phone all day until January 10th. But here's the thing though, that 3 hours a day turns into years of your life. Here's how. Because time compounds. Like everything you do consistently over an extended period of time compounds up. It's called the compounding effect. So let's go year 2. So it's 70 days year 1. Let's just add another 70 days, right? That's 140 days. Year 3, another 70. Now that's 210 days. Year 4, add another 70. Now that's 280 days. Year 5, you change nothing. You do the exact same thing. Now that's 350 days out of the year. That is almost an entire year of you waking up every single day and just scrolling on your phone. That's why relationships are weak. That's why, you got to go to therapy and couples counseling, right? Because you ain't connected with your old lady because you're busy scrolling your phone. That's why you feel depressed, because you sit on the screen looking at other people's lives saying, dang, I wish I had that, or I wish I could do that. You do that for a whole year straight. That's what you do. Like 70 days out of the year. That's why you can't get that business built. That's why you can't grow that following. That's why you're overweight, you're obese, you're having health issues. Hey man, listen, you closer to 40 than you think. If you watching my content, you closer to 40 than you think. I'm telling you, man. And you're going to wake up and be like, man, boy, I ain't did nothing. Boy, I ain't accomplished nothing. But that's why. Because here's the thing, man. You're either building something or you're escaping from something. And watching this device all day allows you to escape. And then you make excuses like, man, I ain't got time. Boy, you got plenty of time, boy. You just wasting it.